But let's find out how you should position yourself for the last hour of trade. Mitessh Thakkar of earningswave.com joins in now. Mitessh, are you disappointed that we've come off from the top of the trading session? We couldn't quite get to levels above 17,800, inch towards our 50-day moving average? Or would you take this minor shaving off from the top as a part of, the overall consolidation after 2 big days?
Good afternoon. So not at all disappointed. In fact, we were highlighting that this level will act as some kind of a supply and profit booking should be done here. Let's look at these 3 points. I have highlighted this that on the 22nd of Feb, we got a gap down, which was in the 17,800, 17,780 zones. Then if you take the high of 16th February, which is 18,134, to the low of 17,255, the 61.8% retracement is about 17,798, and then there are a couple of moving averages around the 17,800 mark. So, as you rightly pointed out, after 2 days of rally, I think there's a very strong chance that we will see some profit booking happening here, given the fact that we also have a holiday tomorrow. So, nothing surprising, but that still doesn't change any kind of, or that doesn't bring any kind of change in the directional bias. The hourly and the 2 hourly charts still suggest more of positive traction. And until we break 17,600, I think I'll be long. So the idea is that now if somebody wants to buy it, I think the entry point should be closer to about 17,700, 680 zones, and 17,600 becomes your positional stop loss. But very clearly trade with long bias. I do expect that after maybe, because there are multiple supply pivots around the 17,800 mark, it might take 2 days of consolidation, maybe 2.5 days of consolidation. But I think eventually there's a stronger chance of us breaking on the upside in the short term. So buy on declines remains the strategy. And on the stock side, I think very clearly we are looking for more of long positions.
Okay, Mitessh, hi, good afternoon. Let's get to the picks as well. What are you working with today?
Yeah. So good afternoon, Survi. I have a buy on Tata Motors, and that's a buy with a stop at about levels of 432 and a target of 455, 460 on the upside can be looked at. And the other one is NTPC, which I would recommend buying with a stop at 174 and a target of 185 to about 188. And I suspect eventually it might go much higher because NTPC is now getting into all-time high levels. The highest closing which the stock has had was around 180. But this time it looks like it will clear that, and therefore 185, 188 should be the immediate move post getting into a new high, that the momentum jerk. But I think eventually we are looking at 200 plus levels here.
All right, got that, Mitessh. Thanks very much. We'll come back to you in about half an hour. We'll see how the market holds up until then. Right now,